Sup now and welcome. I'm Farm Dave and this is Yogic Living. So today we're going to be making some soup. We're going to be making some Lima Beans soup that is very close to Bir Singh's recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our pressure cooker out. And we're going to fill it up with water. So we're going to take one whole onion and chop it up. Okay. So now that we chopped it up, we're just going to throw it on in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get some garlic cloves, and I'm using about two whole bulbs of garlic here. So then we're just going to, after we peel those, we're just going to add those in. So now we're going to add the lima beans, and we have about a 2-pound bag here. Oh, there you have it. So now that we filled it up to the top, and we're going to put it on for about an hour. Wait till it gets to, so you want to cook it at full pressure for an hour. After having cooked an hour in full pressure, you can see this is how it turned out. So now that we've cooked the main ingredients, now we're going to season. So now we're just going to add some tamari, salt, and pepper. So we're just going to add 3/4 of a cup of tamari. Just the right amount. I'm going to add that in. I'm going to add in some salt. As you can see, I'm using some pink Himalayan sea salt. That is my favorite salt, by the way. And I'm adding approximately a teaspoon. And the same thing with some black pepper. So black pepper is very good to Ayurvedically to open up the doors of things, to kind of like assist in helping to absorb other nutrients. So we're going to add a generous amount there. Again, approximately a teaspoon. Of course, you can always add more, or you can add less according to your taste. Alright, this is how the finished product looks.
Hi, this is the taste test number 1. Garlicky. Cheers.